Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix lag in your computer. So first you need to right click on the taskbar, go to task manager and go to startup tab. Find the enabled application under the status section. So as an example we can use this one, and then after tap on disabled. So likewise you can disable all the application you don't need to turn on while when you are turning on your computer. Then after close this one. Again right click on the taskbar, go to task manager. In the process section, find the processes that are use the high CPU usage and you don't need to right now. As an example, in this case you can see the Camtasia is taking 21% CPU. Just right click on it, tap on end task if it is not needed. So then after close this one, then go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it, change this to category and go to hardware and sound, go to power options. Then after in the left side menu, tap on create a power plan and make sure to select it as high performance, and you can use the plan name. Then tap on next. So you can customize these options. So in this case I am going to keep it as it is and tap on create. So you can see the new plan is using high performance, so make sure to select that one. Then after close this one. So then again go to search bar, search for run, tap on that application. In here type percentage temp percentage and hit enter. So press Ctrl plus A to select all. Then after right click on it, tap on delete, tick this one and skip that. So then after close this one. Then after again go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows update. If you post the updates, just resume that one, and if you see the check for update button, just tap on it. It will download latest update. Close this one and again go to search bar, type security, sorry about that, security, tap on Windows security, go to virus and threat protection, tap on quick scan. It will take small time to scan your computer and remove the malware and threats. Just close this one. Finally go to search bar again, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So it is start to system scan and it will check and repair the system files. So these are the methods you can try to fix your lagging in your computer. So after all done this, you need to restart your computer. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.